Hey, you caught me there. Alright, so today I received something very special from United States and I just got it here today and it is something very hot. Ta-da! Alright, so I bought this Reach wallet like 2 weeks ago and it just reached here. Okay, so disclaimer, this is an honest review and not a paid review or sponsored by anyone, right? So I've been waiting for this moment to share with you guys. I will cover a brief unboxings of these things. I haven't even opened it. As you can see, it's sealed and intact. So I will cover a bit of unboxings and as well as a brief review on this wallet. Okay, and don't go anywhere. Stay until the end of the video. I got something special to share with you guys. So before we open this, why I am interested to buy these wallets? Okay, the very reason is that nowadays our bank cards such as ATM cards, we call it debit cards in Malaysia, and also credit cards, they are equipped with this PayWave system, whereby you can just use your card and tap on the device when you do a purchase, and that's it, without needing to key in some PIN code, unless you are purchasing something big in amount. So I have seen a lot of videos whereby there's hackers, they have some kind of this device that it comes close to your cards and they can steal the information on your cards. So let's say you are in a public area and people just a hacker who want to steal your information, card information, they just tap on your pockets and then they can retrieve all your information on your cards and they can make a purchase. Although in Malaysia, if you purchase anything, most of the online purchase, you need TAC codes in order to validate that purchase. However, there are some platforms, some websites that do not need TAC validation. So it's very important that we, rather be safe than sorry, to have this RFID proof wallet to secure your ATM cards, debit cards. So let's go on with it. Let me do this and cut the top part. Let's see. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. There's a package receipt, right? Receipt. Okay. So this wallet. Okay. Before we open the inside, I bought a carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber. It's the latest editions of the Reach wallet. However, it says here is aluminium wallet. I wonder if you can see that. Okay, let's hope they didn't send me anything wrong. Okay, so here you go. Ta-da! That's the Reach wallet. You can see that? Yeah. Okay. Oops. Yep, the Reach. And then forged carbon fiber. Yep, they do it right. Okay, the wallet redefined. Alright, nice catch. And this is the back of the cards. Okay, so let's go on with it. Okay, I really like this design because compared to the previous carbon fiber wallets, this design is much better. It's really sick on picture, so I'm not sure whether it is that sick or even better in my hand. So let's get to it. Okay. Oops. Okay. Unboxing. Yep. Let's get all that way. Yep. Okay. I think you can see a better picture like this, because there's a glare due to the plastic. One more time, and forge the wallet, redefine, and the back of the box. Okay, so the moment of truth. How does it look like? Okay, I should do it this way for you guys to see. Ta-da! Oops! There's this brochure, I think, of the items. Let's see that first. Okay, what they have here is a collection of their wallets, and you can open up, and you can see there's some wordings, and it's guaranteed for life, it says. Okay, and they have other items too, as well as like the backpack or phone cases if you're interested. And they give me these nice slick stickers, I believe. Yep, I'm not sure whether it's gonna fit in the cards. No, it's not. Okay, so this is it. This is sick. Can you see that? Whoa. This carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber, where you can find it in Lamborghini Huracan Performante. If you pay attention, it's the same material. Okay, by Rich Wallet. So they give you this little. Let me take that out. Okay. Before we go to the wallets, they give you this nice, not bad in quality, quite nice and sturdy build. Okay, there's a Rich writing there for the screwdriver. Okay, let's put that away, and this is the wallet, guys. Okay, so they give me some cards, I believe. Okay, let's see, how do I take that out? Yep, that's how you take it out. And yep, let me just pick. This is a reward cards. What they do? Oh, okay, so they give me a reward cards. I'm not sure whether I should share the numbers, so but I'm just gonna cover some and share to you guys. Okay, alright, and then yep, basically this is it. Okay, look at that. Compared to my wallets, this is sick and awesome. Okay, carbon, Rich carbon, and I chosen the money clip instead of the straps, because I think the money clips looks better compared to the straps, right? So I have some cards here, so let's see if how do we operate this. Okay, so let's see if I put 3 cards here. Okay, it's quite, I don't get used to it yet, so bear with me. Right, 1 down, 2. Okay, it's quite okay. Yeah, it's quite easy to slide in. Just need some get used to it. Okay, right. So that's 3 cards, and if you have some cash, then yep. Okay, so let's see. Usually I take about 6 cards when I'm go out. 1 driving license, and then ID cards, or then 1 or 2 credit cards with 1 or 2 ATM cards. Okay, so let's say I slide in 3, so let's add another 3 here, right? Okay. get used to how to put this card in. It's actually pretty easy. It's just that like that. It just needs some, you know, getting used to it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now this is what I will be traveling with from now on. Okay, it's very compact compared to my wallets, which filled with, you know, receipts, right? So okay, so how do I access the cards? There's this kind of thumb where you press the card out. Okay, and you can press the whole thing. And which I learned, they say if let's say you put the cards out and then you can press the bottom. I really need to get used to this. Okay. And you can just choose whatever cards in the middle and pay. Okay, let's see. Okay, and pay. Or the first card. First card is easy to take it out, but in the middle one it gets stuck pretty snugly. That's it. Okay, so 6 card in there. It's pretty snugly. Okay, and then let's see. Let's say if I want to pay, I put my top card, this is my payment card, and then I just press it, and then ta-da, okay, payment done, and I slide it in, good to go. If let's say I need to access my second cards in the middle, so probably I need to press the bottom and then choose from there, second cards, okay, put it in, third cards, put it in, okay, then I just slide it in again. Okay. Right. Okay. So I believe in Malaysia, I am among the few that have this design of wallets. I saw someone sell it online. There's a aluminium one and also titanium, but and carbon fiber, but not this forged carbon. I never seen it in Malaysia before. And among that, probably you might ask, how much is this? This one is 115 US dollar, so it's roughly about 480 ringgit Malaysian. And you might also ask, why would you spend 480 ringgits for a wallet like this when you can get it at maybe 30 ringgits for the knockoff? Okay, one thing that is obvious that I see here is the quality. I seen a few of the knockoff, but the quality is just not as fine as this. Okay, and you can feel the carbon fiber is real carbon fiber. I'm not sure about the knockoff, and I don't think you can get carbon fiber at that cheap price. Probably just like stickers, or I don't know. Okay, so let me check out the cards and show you the inside. Okay, so you can see the inside. Okay, it's pretty snugly when you open this, but I'm not sure whether it will goes loose by the time you use, like after some times. But there's a replacement, I believe. I saw on their websites you can replace the rubber band here. Then what you need to do is just you need the screwdriver. You unlock all the screw here, and then you just replace the rubber band. Okay, and as for the inside, it's pretty how to say, very flat and very smooth kind of surface compared to the outside. This is some matte surface, okay, and they have some kind of cuttings for you to easily slot in the cards. So let's say I slot in this card. Okay, that's how easy it is. Well, okay, so let me put some cash with this. Okay, let me just get some cash. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so let's say I have a few cash. Usually I travel in Malaysia. I don't think you can travel just by cards yet, but I believe you will soon, because I have troubles when I going out just with cards. I have troubles paying parkings. Some of the places, they do not accept cards payment, they do not accept touch and go, and even some places the parking machines, they only accept 1 ringgit notes, right? So you gotta have some spare of 1 ringgit notes. So here I put I'm gonna put 3 pieces of my notes, okay, just in case if I run into any places that do not accept cards or the system is down. Okay, and then snug it in. It's pretty snuggy here. I don't think it will lose the money. Okay, and then just like I said, I travel 6 cards, so I'm gonna slide in 6 of my cards inside there and see how it's feel. Okay. There's 6 cards. I'm not sure if I can do it all at once. Let's see. I really need to get used to this. Okay, it's kind of easy to operate. Okay, right. So this is how you're gonna travel. I mean, myself, how I'm gonna travel. 6 cards and a bit of cash, and this is the new way of traveling compared to the phones. I have one phone here. Okay, so you can see it is very small. I don't think it feels heavy. No, I don't think it feels heavy with this compared to my old wallets. Okay, this is how compact it is. Come on, look at that. Oh my god, I think it's like, what? Yeah, you get a better picture. It's like I save half of it. Okay, the thickness is about the same. Okay, but imagine I save half of the space in my pocket, and this one weighs maybe this is due to it is carbon fiber and the weight is not that heavy, but the titanium one, it does weigh quite heavy. I believe I saw some reviews online as well for that. Okay, so before you go, I will share you some codes that I received from Rich Wallets. There's a 15% discount. I will put in the link description below. If you're interested, you can check that out. And that's it for our review. Right, thank you very much, and bye bye. Get out from here.